Have you ever wondered how the sounds of our cities will change in the future? Picture the cityscape we've grown so accustomed to. The never-ending symphony of combustion engines humming and growling, punctuated by the occasional honk of car horns and the wailing sirens of emergency vehicles. These sounds are so ingrained in our daily lives that we barely notice them anymore, like an old song playing on repeat. Yet these constant noises are more than just a backdrop to our urban existence. They form an acoustic environment that impacts our quality of life, our health, and even our mental well-being. The buzz of traffic, the roar of engines, the shrill of sirens, they all contribute to the soundtrack of our cities, a soundtrack that's often more cacophony than melody. We've come to accept this as the norm, the inevitable soundtrack of progress and urban living. But what if all these sounds were to dramatically change? Imagine a world where the roar of engines is replaced by a gentle hum. That's the world we could be heading towards with the rise of electric vehicles. A world where the cacophony of combustion engines is a thing of the past, replaced by the whisper-quiet operation of electric powertrains. This rise of electric vehicles is not just a trend, it's a revolution, one that holds the potential to transform the soundscape of our cities. Today, we are accustomed to the relentless noise of traffic, the growl of engines, the screech of brakes. But in a future where electric cars rule the roads, these sounds could be dramatically reduced. Imagine walking down a city street and not having to raise your voice to be heard over the din of traffic. Picture a world where the sounds of nature aren't drowned out by the rumble of internal combustion engines. That's the potential of electric vehicles. Reduced noise pollution means improved living conditions. The constant drone of traffic can be stressful, leading to sleep disturbances and other health issues. Quieter cities could lead to healthier, happier residents. But this silent future is not without its challenges. One of the key concerns is safety, especially for pedestrians and cyclists. The near-silent operation of electric cars can make them harder to hear, increasing the risk of accidents. Engineers and designers are already tackling this issue, developing artificial noises that these vehicles can emit to alert those around them. In the same breath, there's the question of what these artificial sounds should be. Do we mimic the familiar rumble of a combustion engine, or do we create something entirely new? These are the questions that will shape the aural landscape of our future cities. The silent future is not just about reducing noise pollution, it's about creating a new soundscape for our cities, one that enhances our well-being and safety. The cities of the future could be much quieter places, but they will also bring new challenges. The silent future is an exciting prospect, but it's also uncharted territory. And as we navigate this new world, we must ensure that the silence of electric vehicles doesn't become a danger in disguise. Transitioning from the noisy cities of today to the quieter cities of tomorrow won't happen overnight. The transformation will be a gradual process. As more and more electric vehicles take to the roads, our city's soundscapes will subtly shift. The once familiar cacophony of revving engines and blaring horns will slowly give way to a more serene, albeit different auditory environment. Policymakers and manufacturers play a crucial role in facilitating this transition. They must strike a balance between reducing noise pollution and ensuring pedestrian safety. For instance, electric vehicles, known for their whisper-quiet operations, may need to be equipped with noise-making devices to alert those on foot of their approach. This transformation, though challenging, is not insurmountable. It's a step towards a future where our cities are not only less noisy, but also more harmonious. As we move towards this silent future, we must ensure that it is not only quieter, but also safer. The silent future is no longer a distant dream, but a reality that is slowly taking shape. We've traversed through the cacophonous city soundscapes of today, a constant symphony of honks, roars and rumbles. We've unveiled the potential of a quieter, more serene future, where the hum of electric vehicles replaces the combustion engine's growl. The benefits are clear. A reduction in noise pollution, an enhanced urban living experience, and a step towards a more sustainable world. Yet challenges remain. Adapting to this new soundscape demands a shift not just in technology, but in our attitudes, policies, and city planning. It's a transformation that won't occur overnight, but is gradually unfolding before our eyes and ears. So, as we embrace the hum of electric vehicles, we are not just changing how our cities sound, but also how we live and experience them.